Okay, we're gonna crush some things with that VISE. We're gonna start out with something simple like a Lego. We're then going to move on to a ball. We'll crush something simple like a walnut. And then we'll move on to a pencil and a marker. This car. And then we're gonna end with something really cool. Oh, we're also gonna crush a bigger car.
And half of a pencil.
Half a pencil. And then we're gonna end with a light bulb. Here we go.
Eraser.
Oh, an eraser.
And this card that needs to be back. I can fix that. It's broken anyway, so we cannot crush that. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's start crushing. So first, we're gonna do the simple Lego.
Okay, let's do the simple Lego. That's the results.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, what
The
next?
crushed stuff go here so people can see it.
Sure.
Well, up here.
What next? The ball?
Sure. Sorry guys, I have a cough. I've crushed this ball before, but it's still good. Good shape. Most people
It didn't crack? It didn't crack when you crushed it?
I barely crushed it.
Well, we will crush it today.
Yep. I apologize for the squeaky noise because this is old.
Go. Something is definitely durable. All right, now we're gonna
Crush a walnut. Like the sussy word, nuts. These nuts. I'll crush this. I'll still crush this stuff here.
crush to a pulp.
Look at that juice.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Perfect. Do you want to crush the eraser?
Now we crush the eraser. This one. I've never crushed an eraser before.
Now it's a different shape.
It's not even a heart. It's
It's like a bean.
yeah.
A little bean.
It's what you think it is.
Okay, now marker.
Guess what this is? Oh, yeah, marker. See if I can make it that wide. I think that's way too wide.
Probably, yeah.
Should I just do it sideways?
Yes. That'd be cool. Squished.
Let's open it.
Oh, ink everywhere.
There's a lot of ketchup on there. Ketchup.
Bleeding to death. Okay, now, which car?
Nerf. Okay, guys, we're gonna crash a Nerf car, which I don't use this. I'll crush it sideways so it would be more satisfying.
Yeah.
So let's try that one more time.
There we go.
Flunged. I guess I'm crushing this side. Sorry guys, we couldn't crush. How flattened that is.
Cool.
Now we crush the wall. Okay. Sorry guys, we had to pause there because there's a drill press. It's fine. It's fine.
All right, what are we crushing next?
Looks too long.
Yeah. Let's crush.
Sorry, we cannot crush this.
We'll crush this.
Yeah. It's even more satisfying.
Pencils are the best.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow, is that cool?
Okay, moving on.
The eraser part.
Sure.
The eraser is way more satisfying. That peel.
Wow.
The eraser fell. Sorry guys.
Okay, what next?
The car.
The big car. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Whoa, things are flying. I better not go blind. Don't try this at home, kids.
Do not. That was a lot.
Whoa,
Wow!
that got smushed.
Oh, sorry, the camera was. Sorry.
Okay, are we moving on to the best one? The light bulb.
I'm gonna drop this. It's broken in. R.I.P.
Try the other way. Try the other way, Bob. Yeah, the big bulb part.
It can go that far. Yay!
Okay. That was cool.
Wow!
It exploded.
So subscribe to our channel. We're gonna make more VISE videos if you guys like them. Say in the comments if you like them and like the video. If we get 10 likes, then I'll do another one. Okay? See y'all.
Bye.
Sorry, I somehow can't cut the black part at the end, but that's okay, you quit the video.